Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have this 2005 Chevy Tahoe. I'm trying to get the spare tire out from under it, and I'm going to show you an easy way to do it because this is a bad design and it's really hard to get it out from under here if you get a flat tire. So let's get right into it. First thing we want to do, put a jack under it. Go ahead and get your 2x4 and jack your jack up in front of the tire where you got plenty of room for this to drop. I've already taken that out, but I'm going to put it back in and show you exactly what I did to get it out. Now, once you get your spare tire jacked up, okay, it's pretty solid up in there. Now this right here is what you need to push on. As you can see, you got plenty of access. Now you want to push this in with a screwdriver. It pops right out. Mine's so rusted it's stuck. And now I can let the jack down, get my spare tire down. Don't let anybody tell you that this is easy getting out of here unless you know a simple way to do it. But this is the only way I know how to get it done safely. Thanks for watching.